Okay, welcome back. Today, I haven't posted a video for like 3 weeks, a month, over a month. Anyway, it's time for another video. And so today, I don't have a lot of content because I've been super busy. We're gonna do a tire review. A lot of people ask me what tires I run on this. And I've been running these tires for 3 years. Yep, 3 years now. And I couldn't be happier. So, let's get into it. These are not a name brand tire. These are the Accelera MT-01s. Spoiler alert, I love them. Okay, for the price, can't be beat. And even if I bought an expensive tire, I'm pretty sure they perform exactly the same. So these are the Mud Terrains, MT Mud Terrain. I bought these on eBay, brand new, for, this was 3 years ago, and they're still about this price. $424 shipped to my door. That was total for all 4 tires, not each tire. So, extremely good deal on these. And a lot of people have doubts with the off-brand tires. Are they any good? These are good. So with it, granted, this is a light vehicle. It's 2,500 pounds, we'll call it. I think it's like 25 to 2,700 pounds. This vehicle, I run it on the road at 20 PSI on the road and about 8 PSI off the road. I've never had an issue with it coming off the bead. I've never had an issue with anything with these tires. I love them. So, looking at them here, I just got driving home. It was really rainy, so they're nice and clean for you. Driving here, I don't know. We're probably about 50% tread now. This is 3 years of driving. I don't know how many miles. There's quite a few miles on them, but 50% tread. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that this isn't a pavement princess. This is not a garage queen. I lovingly beat this like a borrowed mule. And it's so much fun. Anyway, so I don't have anything bad to say about these tires. For the price, they're amazing. The snow, mud, dirt, I don't know about ice. I wouldn't say ice. But everything that I've used them for, haven't had an issue. One of the cons I will say is if I leave the tracker sitting in the garage for a couple days, 3-4 days, or even, and it's cold, I start driving and I can actually feel flat spots a little bit. But about a mile, 2 miles down the road, they're gone. Took them to the tire store. When they balanced them, mounted and balanced them, they said they had a hard time balancing them, but my rims are bent, so there's some weight on them. There's actually quite a bit of weight on that one there. Let's see what this one back here is. So yeah, there's quite a bit of weight on that one there. But again, my rims are most likely bent. Let's see on this one. There's not quite as much weight on that one. How about the back one back here? Let's see. Yeah, there's about that much weight there. So there's not really any cupping in them. Let's see, where were these tires made? I don't know where they're made. They should say on here. Right here. Made in Indonesia. So manufactured by, let's turn this thing upside down. Turn the camera over so you can see here. It says manufactured by PT Lang, so I don't know, whatever, tire industry. Manufactured in Indonesia. So they, right here, got a little bit of wear, a little bit of, I don't know what you'd call that. Not really chipping off them, a little bit on the sides. But I like them. I've rotated them. I mean, you've seen how much I've worked on this thing. I've had them off and on, and on all 4 different corners. They don't make a lot of noise. They're relatively quiet. When I drive this thing at 70, even at 70, they're not bad. They're not loud. They're pretty good. Would I buy another set again? Yeah, absolutely. $400 for 4 tires? I mean, okay, they're only 235, 75, 15s, 29-inch tires. I get it. They're tiny. The car's tiny. But you get to any other big brands like a set of BFG KO2s for this is almost $1,200. There's no justification. None. For it. I wanted a set on it because I think they look cool, or even a set of KM3s. Awesome. Love it. I wouldn't pay the price. It's just not worth it. These are fantastic tires. Great traction in the mud, great traction in the snow, great traction on the rocks and on the dirt. Drop them down to 8 PSI. Sidewalls handle it perfectly fine. These are the stock rims on this vehicle and love it. So my next set of tires is probably going to be a set of 31-inch tires because since I bought these, I put the suspension lift and everything on it. But yeah, I'd buy these again in a heartbeat. Love them. So anyway, that's my review on them. I don't have anything bad to say about them. I don't know a whole lot about tires, but I know that these are good. So if you're thinking about buying a set, don't hesitate. They're great tires. I've had friends who've ran them. They say the same things. So yeah. Thanks for watching.